Hi dear, today we are making easy snacks recipe. This fish recipe of bruschetta will be a good light dinner idea or healthy lunch idea. It's a quick recipe for a healthy snack, but the secret is in the details. Okay, let's start. Firstly, take brown bread. I take my husband's sourdough bread. By the way, he promised to share his fast and easy bread recipe. Secondly, spread cream cheese onto the bread. And make our fresh salsa salad. Cut tomatoes into small pieces. Also, it is one of amazing summer recipes when you don't want to spend much time for cooking and you have some fresh tomatoes and any fish you like. Then go bunch of dill, spring onion and black olives. Pay attention, if you like this video and want to know more about weight loss recipes or healthy dinner ideas, please like this video. It will inspire me to new ideas. Drizzle fresh lemon juice. It gives our fish rich flavor, freshness and vitamins. And a little pinch of salt, pepper and oil this salsa salad. And don't forget to comment this video and write me what oil you usually use. I have smoked fish, but it can be salted salmon too. Even herring goes well in this snack recipe. I mean that you can use all leftovers for such sandwich recipes and snacks. Just be creative. Next layer is fresh salsa salad. And we are ready to eat them. Mouth-watering and absolutely delicious snack recipe. Try to cook, enjoy your meal and see you! You can find more ideas of perfect sandwiches on my channel. The best reward for my work is your feedback. Put links, write questions, comments and of course subscribe. Fresh ideas every week.